Oh my gosh, Tom, are you okay?
Yes, I am, but I went wild clatter clot again. Excuse me.
I burped.
For 1 mile.